Today we are going to learn basic lines and curves for alphabet. Hello, this is standing line. Let's learn how to write standing line.
Standing line should come from up to down.
This is sleeping line. Let's learn how to write sleeping line.
Sleeping line should come from left to right.
This is right slanting line. Let's learn how to write right slanting line.
Right slanting line should come top to bottom slightly tilted.
This is left slanting line. Let's learn how to write left slanting line.
Left slanting line should come top to bottom slightly tilted on left side.
This is right side curve. Let's learn how to write right side curve.
This is a left side curve. It bends to the left.
This is left side curve. Let's learn how to write left side curve.
This is a right side curve. It bends to the right.
This is upward curve. Let's learn how to write upward curve.
This is an upward curve. It goes up like a smile.
This is downward curve. Let's learn how to write downward curve.
This is a downward curve. It goes down like a rainbow.